There's something so peaceful about fresh petals floating on dark rainwater. Today, we are going to capture that calm monsoon mood on paper using acrylic colors. Now I am taking the cool grey color, some small amount of blue. To paint in now smaller areas, I am going to switch the brush to the smaller size. Now I am going to paint surrounding area of petals. Okay, after blocking petals and flowers, I fill with the dark and light patch, and I add some drips or drops of the water that like fountain falling apart from the sky. Now we are going to paint the flower petals and droplets of water on that. To paint flower, I am going to pour some magenta pink or crimson red, white, lemon yellow. That's it. This much color we need to paint the flowers. So I painted whole flowers. Now we are going to show the flowers are floating on the water. So for that we are going to take the black. Make sure you are using the smaller brush and just show the ripples around some. It will give effect that flowers are floating. Okay, now we are going to use the gray color to show the darker area that flowers are floating. Make color the thin color so it will be easy to okay. Now we are going to paint some water on the palette. So what we are going to do, we are going to take white and blue and we are going to make color very thin, and we are just going to overlap the like this. I want to show this is. Now we are just going to paint 2 or 3 water droplets. To paint the water droplets, we are going to use first black. Suppose I want to paint here water droplet. I will zoom that part. Wait. So now I am showing how to paint the droplet. I am using the pink color and I am making one big circle. Then I am making the darker side here. Now I am painting the pink color here. Now I am taking the white color, and after that a thick white color, just one drop here and drop here. Okay, it's looking like a water droplet. So few more small and big. Now I am going to paint here small droplet. Okay, on which surface you are painting the water droplet, you have to choose color according to that surface. Okay, now I am painting on white, so I am just using white and black. If I using in pink color, background pink, then I will use the pink color. Just I am putting the tiny white here. Okay, so some few more, like some here one, here the bigger one, here smaller one. Make sure shadow is appearing in every single painting a same way, not different places. Now some in background also. Like this we are going to paint some more droplets. See after I paint. After adding some droplets, final painting is looking like this. Now I am going to stop here. Let's see after removing the masking tape how masking is looking. Here is the final piece, Monsoon Melody. Let me know in the comments how the rain season makes you feel. If you like, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next painting session. Bye bye.